Hello everyone and welcome. Let's make some delicious Mediterranean dense white bean salad. This salad is protein packed. It's so easy to make, it's quick. You don't need to cook anything and it's good for meal prep. Let's make it happen. For this recipe, we are using 3 types of white beans. Use white beans of your preference. 2 cans of cannellini beans, 1 can of great northern beans, and 1 can of garbanzo beans. Each can is 15 ounces. Watch to the end to learn the secret of the deliciousness of this recipe. We start by preparing the beans. Drain and thoroughly rinse the beans. Pat dry with paper towels and keep aside. You want the beans to be dry because you don't want a soggy salad. In a bowl, whisk together olive oil, dried oregano, ground black pepper, dried basil, honey or maple syrup, mustard, red wine vinegar, and minced garlic. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Keep watching because I'm about to reveal the secret to the deliciousness of the Mediterranean dense white bean salad. You will be amazed. Marinating the beans takes Mediterranean dense white bean salad from delicious to great. Keep aside for about 15 minutes or longer so the flavors meld and the beans soak them all up. While the beans are soaking up the flavors, I will be off camera and prepare the vegetables. Look at this beauty. Now go ahead and add the crumbled feta cheese. Now add the veggies to the marinated beans. Then toss gently, lovingly, until everything is evenly coated. And our super delicious Mediterranean dense white bean salad is ready. This is high protein meal prep that you can't afford to miss. Go ahead and try this recipe and let me know how yours turned out. You can eat this salad on its own, or you serve it with warm crusty bread. You can enjoy it right away or allow it to be in the fridge for a few minutes because this salad tastes much better when flavors meld. Our delicious high-protein Mediterranean dense white bean salad is great for meal prep, work lunch, and metabolic health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.